So first one is just a standard log in, log out.
Okay, so who do I sign in? Do I have a login?
It does. You can. You
Use. Okay. And password. Please.
We haven't put a password.
Okay.
and log in.
Okay,
That's
so
that.
what I'm trying to do, if I just log in and sign out, okay, start from the home page.
So
Create a new group for Mathsfun. Find advice in learning support for note taking. Post a new message on the social Java board. Accept a pending invite to a group. Change profile picture. Okay, so.
no, don't change profile picture. That hasn't worked. That's why it's in brackets.
Okay.
Yeah, the 1st one.
I'll
So
create new group. Okay,
Yeah.
So now I see. Now there isn't anything that says create groups. I'm going to go to group work because the label group seems to be the closest to that. So I shall try and do that.
yeah.
And I can't see. I can see current groups, I can see pending group invites. I don't think that's right, I'm going to step back. I'm going to look at create a new group, maybe social? No, that's not right. So I'm going to have a look at learning. No.
No.
And how about profile?
No. You were right in the first one,
Group work, okay.
and then
Now I've got current groups. Oh, I see. I've got the full stop, the crust. It's because I don't use iOS a lot. I've forgotten about those.
so once this one you're just going to be walking through.
Yeah, they're simulated.
So it's simulated text.
Yeah. Okay.
So you're going to go through it as if you've.
Okay. So I've. I'll be honest.
2580.
Flip it. Yeah. Right, you need to flip then, not rotate.
So okay, I'm putting in a new group name, whatever it is.
Yeah.
There you go. Don't put it anymore.
There's nothing about who I should invite, but presumably I put some usernames in and put some invite text in.
That's right.
Click on OK and return eventually. Hopefully, presumably, eventually it does it. So that will take me back to. That goes the wrong way. Okay.
Yeah. So you want to do what you just did on the. If you click the top box, as you did,
Yeah.
and then walk through it.
Next, I see.
That's
Yeah.
right.
So this is.
It makes an assumption, isn't it? That's fine.
Yeah, I think a lot of that is to do with how much experience you bring from using that particular operating system. It's actually quite specific, aren't they? So create group. I'm not sure what I put in there. That was usernames, wasn't it?
That was usernames, and that's going to be text.
Inside text. So
Yeah.
I'd say hello join this group or whatever it is.
Yeah. And then done.
And then
That's the finish.
last thing. Of course, ideally, you would like the buttons to grey out when they're completed.
Yeah.
And that's presumably the stuff I've created, so I can click on Create Group to make sure it's actually worked and it's done. And it says, fortunately, previous to return to the Groups menu. So I'll go back and do
That'll be on
that.
there.
At the, no, I need to go further back until I get back to the Groups menu.
So you've created the.
I've created the new group, so the next time. Find advice on learning support for note-taking in lectures. So I think I'll go back and have a look at learning. And note-taking in lectures, that other thing.
There it is.
There we go, and I can write meaningless texts now. Note takes.
That gives you all the. That gives you all the advice you need.
That's right. All the advice I ever needed. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to go back out of that, back to the home screen. I wonder if there was a way of getting actually out of interest. I'm just going back in there. No, I just wondered if there was a kind of shortcut back to the home screen. Now I'm going to be social, and I'm going to press the new message under social. I'll press new message.
It should be a specific.
Okay, under a specific topic. Okay, social Java help. Help needed in Java, okay. Here I've created, trying to understand.
That's
I
the
suppose one of the problems that I'd say is that you've got to kind of, you know, sometimes this is for a message which I'd create a new one of, but the topics don't stand out as topics necessarily.
Yeah.
Now, it might be that because I have used iOS quite a lot, but not for about 4 or 5 years, no, maybe less than that, 3 or 4 years anyway. So I've kind of got out of thinking about how iOS works.
Okay. It's very specific to it, isn't it?
Yeah, some of it is. I mean, and the sort of style about. Okay, so anyway, I can see a message in there.
You've got a couple messages already in there, yeah.
Okay. Close to the message in there. I've got such a pending messages. View changes and view the so I will create a new message. Trying to understand.
So you've got the simulated text already in there, ready to post. And there it is.
Posted, so I managed to get through there. I could go back
What are you looking for now?
I'm looking for the invite, pending invite to a group.
Oh right, yeah.
So
You were in the right. I didn't give you enough time to look there. I was wondering.
Pending group invites. Interesting, because I was looking at the content of the text boxes. That's where the high context is.
Yeah.
And because the iOS is nice and skin grey on sort of dark grey on light grey, sometimes it didn't quite attract my attention.
Yeah, it doesn't stand out.
Do I want to change it? Yeah.
Good stuff. Yeah. And that's it. No, that's it.
Change the code.
No.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Johnathan.
Good.
Many
Useful?
thanks. Yeah.